Welcome to the channel.
In today's video, we're going to be swatching. These gel polishes were born pretty. They were sent over to me. They were so kind enough to send them over to me today. So today we'll be swatching them. These are the Born Pretty Cat Eye Magnet Eye Gel Polishes. The fall collection. Fall and winter. In the 7 milliliter 6-piece. I've been enjoying wearing one color here lately, and I have a client that likes to just wear one color as well. So I want y'all to relax and come along with me on this journey of swatching these beautiful magnet colors. If you all have made it this far and you keep coming back, why don't you consider subscribing to my channel? It helps me out a whole lot. Don't cost a thing. Hit that like and that subscribe button. It helps out my channel a whole lot. Now, I'm gonna play some music. I just want y'all to sit back and watch. I have a question. Question of the day. Polymers usually take which form? A, solid. B, liquid. C, gas. D, vapor. I will reveal the answer at the end of the video. Guys, these colors are great for standalone, just to use by themselves, or you can add something to it to give a little sparkle.
pigmented, guys, and really nice, rich colors that I think anybody can use. So I want y'all to continue to watch the video, and I'll come back closer to the video. So guys, these colors you'll be seeing in an upcoming set that I'll be creating. It wouldn't be me if I did not create a beautiful nail set with these colors. Y'all know that. But anywho, y'all continue to watch. Alright guys, I would like to thank you all for the support to my channel. I appreciate it very much. If you're here and have not subscribed to the channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit that like button for me. It helps out my channel a lot. It allows me to continue to get my content out to my amazing viewers. Alright guys, so I'm going to let you all sit back and enjoy a little more music. We're almost to the end of this video. Okay guys, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. The name's the same. Guys, the answer to the question of the day is a solid. If you answered a solid, then your answer is correct, guys. I hope you enjoyed these questions of the day. I tried to keep them as simple, but it also gives you a learning tool as well. All right, guys, until next time, you already know the deuces are flying in the air. You know what time it is. Poof. She's out.